Hello again, this is Robert Veach here, and this is my video review of the men's hair clipper beard trimming kit. This is the FK-8688T. Comes with a really nice little instruction booklet, which is very well written, and everything you see here has got a charging with a USB, some lubricating oil, a comb, a brush to clean it. This attachment will work with this to cut body hair on you at different lengths. I'm going to show that. It has the default trimmer head on there with all these different attachments. It has an additional small trimmer head that has this sliding gauge on there that you can change the depth of the cut. It has a nose trim hair unit on there and a really accurate small cutter for precise cutting of your eyebrows. And then this type of cutter so that you can actually shave your face. So you can do the first trimming with this blade and do the final shaving with that. I'm going to demonstrate these things and cutting my own hair and show you how it all works. But let's go into the details of this great kit. It's a professional hair clipper, including full-size trimmer, precision trimmer, carving trimmer, body groomer, micro shaver, nose trimmer, and 5 limit combs, and 1 adjustable beard trimmer comb that I mentioned right over there from 4 to 5.5 millimeter. It has 4 hair trimmer combs and allow you to go 3, 6, 9, and 12 millimeter for beard trimming or hair cutting. It's perfect for trimming long hair, shaving your beard, body hair. To trimmer helps you achieve your own personal style. These are all self-sharpening blades, the way they move left to right, and they will stay clean. You just have to occasionally put a little oil on them and you'll be all set. This is IP7 waterproof and it's fully 100% washable design for easy cleaning. Can be used in the shower. The trimmer and all the attachments are fully washable, so simply rinse them under the faucet for easy cleaning. The smooth curved handle is very comfortable to hold. We're going to show that, and it feels really good. And it's very lightweight too, pretty amazing. The LED display will let you have charging information as well as use time, and it'll let you know how much is left in percentages. Now, you got about 90 minutes runtime on this, which is about 30 shaves, and it only takes about 1.5 hours to charge with the included USB cable. This is a great gift for your father, husband, boyfriend, and son. It has everything you need for a quality haircut and a great styling kit for men. Hassle-free grooming experience. This allows you to do your maintenance on your face and your body hair all by yourself. This company will respond to any message on Amazon within 24 hours if you have any problems with this. But the way this thing is working for me, it looks like a very reliable product. So let's just take a look. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to show you how to charge this unit. So charging is very simple. It has an included USB cable. We're going to plug that into a USB port that I have in my studio here. Now the other end of this only goes one way into this little slot right there. Plugs in just like that. And then you notice the display comes up and you see it starts giving the percentage of charge. So there's 98% and it gives you a little charge symbol right there. And then when it's all done, it'll tell you it's 100% charge. And you're all set to use the device. Just as simple as that. Now you unplug this to use it, and here's your button right here. You turn that on and you hear how quiet this is, and it's giving you percentage of how much is left in there, so you know when you have to charge it. Hit this button again and it goes to high speed and then to off. Very light and very good feeling. It has this little indent on here for your fingers, so you feel really solid, like you're not going to drop this. You can do a real precision cut with this. Really love it. Now to remove these heads is very simple. You always want to push outward on wherever the cutting blade is. So if you push like that, it comes out, and then you have access to the inside of the unit itself. And you notice on the opposite side of the cutting blade there is that little hinge piece right there, and that lines up with that little hinge right there. And all you do is line that up like that, and then you push forward and it locks right back in place. And that's how you do it for all these other attachments. I'll take this one right here, this shaver. And again, there's that little notch on the bottom right there. You line up the notch and you push, and now there's the shaver right there. And you push just like that to remove it. And let's try another one right here. This is the precision trimmer for your eyebrows. You put the base on there like that, and you push where the blade is, and it locks in place. And look how small it is. I mean, you could just do precision cutting with that. And it's no different for the nose hair trimmer. And you take that little bottom hook and you put it on the bottom right there, and you push, and it locks in place, and then you have the ability to do nose hair trimming right there. That's really nice. I've never seen a unit that has the ability to have all these attachments like this, including nose and eyebrows. Unbelievable. Now this right here is unique. This piece right here, you'll notice it has a cutting blade really wide on there. Let's put that on the same way. It's got the little bottom little hook, and we push like that, and it goes on. Now this could be used to directly cut your hair. Sounds easily cutting my hair. But let's say you want to limit the depth of how much you're going to cut off. So you can see this has 3 different rails in here. So that controls the depth of this cut. So now if I go across my arm again, it's only going to cut the longest hairs based on that depth. You see it on my table right here. So that's a nice attachment. Actually, there's a lot of times where you want to trim your body hair, but you don't want to totally remove it. Now there's another attachment on here, which I'm going to show, and that has this little sliding piece that allows you to change the depth of the cut. And that's very similar to the default cutter that's on there, but it's a little bit smaller. And again, we're going to line up that back, and we're going to push. That goes on just like that. And what's great about this is, again, you could limit the cut because of that comb on there. And as you move it outward, it limits more. And you move it inward, it will cut more away. So you have full choice of that. And again, to remove it, you push on the blade and it comes right out. We're going to put the main attachment on there now, just like that. And you have these limiters on here, and they're all calibrated. Like this is 12 millimeters. And you just put it on like that, and you click, and it's on there really reliably. And then it'll only cut things that are beyond that 12 millimeters on there. I'm going to demonstrate all this. I'm actually going to trim my hair and my eyebrows with this excellent kit. Okay, I'm going to be demonstrating the shaver, and I'm going to be using no attachment first to shave my beard, and then I'm going to finish shaving with this attachment with a foil cutter shaver. I'm going to use this to trim my nose hairs. This would be my sideburns. And I'm going to cut my hair with the 3, 6, and 9 millimeter offsets that it comes with. Okay, I'm recording through a mirror here so you can see what I'm doing. I'm going to start by just combing my hair a little bit with the included comb. Then I'm going to use the shaver without any attachment just to trim my beard a little bit. The growth, I should say. Works nice and smoothly. You probably can't hear it, but it's definitely cutting the hair. I can see it in the sink. Show the sideburns a little bit. I'll get that with more detail with one of the other attachments. Now I'm going to put this attachment on there to do a little bit more shaving. Click this one off. can hear her cutting the hair. Now I'm going to add the nose hair attachment. And you probably can't hear it, but it's clipping hairs. Kind of tickles a little bit. I'm going to remove that attachment. Then I'm going to put on the regular cutting head again. And I'm going to go with 9 millimeters on high. And I'm going to do the top part of my hair. And the back. What this is doing is thinning the hair out, but it's not letting me cut into the hair too deep. Now I can do the top part too. And you can go opposite the hair grain. And use the included comb, keep cutting it, put it back in place in the way you normally comb it. Now I'm going to take that comb off and I'm going to go to the 6 millimeter size. Go closer by the ears here. Just like that. Now I'm going to go even closer with, this is 3 millimeter, and that's really close, so you gotta be careful. And I'm going to do my sideburns and a little bit around the ear on a sharp angle like that. To the other side also, just like that. You could also trim the eyelash, your eyebrows, by going opposite the grain, the hair growth, just like that. Now I'm going to take the comb off, and now I could more accurately do the sideburns and do the little bit of hair around the ears, just like that. Trims it really nicely. And I could do a little trimming of my eyebrow also, without any attachment on there, just like that. Now if I want to get more precise, I could remove this and put on this included attachment, which allows very precise trimming. So I could really do some accurate trimming there, running the air here. By the eyebrows. Because it's so accurate and small, I can go right by the eyebrows. Just like that. So this is when you really want some accuracy. That's what you're going to use. Now I'm going to remove that and use the included brush just to brush out anything in there. I'm going to put this first cutter on there, and I'm going to show you that you could wash this. I'm going to, and you can see some of the hair that I cut there, and I'm going to make sure it doesn't go down the drain, close the drain. And you can see I can rinse this off. I can clean up all the combs. That shaver right there. And this one right here I can rinse off. And then it's clean and ready for the next shave. What do I think about the FK8688T, the complete grooming kit? This unit is very complete, as I demonstrated. I mean, you could do any part of your body with this thing. You can trim your hairs at different lengths. You can trim your nose, your sideburns, your eyebrows, anything you want on your body. This is great. Comes with everything you need: the comb, the oil, all the attachments. This cool shaver that's waterproof, that has that unique display that I demonstrated to let you know when you need to charge your battery. Can't go wrong with this. This is an excellent value. I'm going to give it a full 5-star rating. Please remember to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you'll alert to new video uploads. And if you like this review, please hit the like button. The open information I presented helps you with your buying decisions. Thanks for watching.